Welcome to my weekly Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Today's video is all about paper crafting. I'm here to share how easy it is to make a 3D project. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial, and I would love to see you shop with me. So this is my project I'm sharing today. I made a little note card with it too, but it's a big size box. It has a magnet for closure. It's using one piece of designer series paper, and I just used some of the leftovers for this little wee card. This is a 3x3 note card and envelope. This designer series paper is the Share What You Love. And the flower is from the Stitched Season dies that will be coming out in August. August 1st through 31st is the only time that you can get this product. It does come with a beautiful stamp set, which I love. The flowers and sentiments and leaves and holly and lovely sentiments for all season long. I've been kind of featuring this stamp set and die recently because I do have a class that goes along with it. So if you're interested, check that out. Go to my blog, sunstampin.com, and look under the online classes section where you can check out how much this is for Canadians. But I really actually liked this little detail, so I thought it was really nice to have a coordinating little card to go along with it. So, and look how big it is. Like, hello, this is big. Okay, gonna show you how to do it. Okay, so the only problem that I'm having to decide is, do I use this side as my outside or this side as my outside? I think I want to feature the shiny paper here. The nice thing about this DSP is that it is quite thick. You can kind of hear it, right? It's a thicker cardstock. So yeah, I think I'm going to use it. I'm going to use this side. All right. So it's a 12 by 12 piece of paper, and I'm going to score at 3 and 9. Now, if you're directional, if you have directional paper, you're going to want, well, you're going to have to figure it out. But the side that I've just turned to, okay, so I'm turning turning the page, and like I did with this one, so I'm gonna start with my 1-inch score here. And the thing was, if you notice, the writing is the wrong way around. Now you know it's good on the back but not so much on the front. So if you have flowers or something, the nice thing is, what I would do is choose a pattern that is not directional. All right, moving on. So we're scoring at 1. I hope you can see that. 1, 3.5, 6.5, and again at 9. Okay, time to burnish. Okay, so pretty much what I do on one side, we're going to do on the second side. So, which means I'm going to cut off this rectangle. I'm going to nice and square and cut it off. we're going to move this square. I'm going to cut it in half. And I'm going to, oh, well, maybe a little bit more. I'm going to leave an inch, I think. Yeah, ish. I should be slightly more accurate. I even have like a pattern to follow. Good grief. Okay. So the next one is, so this is kind of hard. I'm cutting up this side. Okay, and wedging here. I know this is a little different, right? And cutting up here and wedging. So what we did on this side, we're going to repeat on this side. All right, so I'm hoping you can kind of understand how this is gonna go. Ta-da! Right? Okay. We're gonna put adhesive close to the score line and at that free edge. Cute. So these tabs go on the inside, and what I'm going to do is just feel around the edges here, and if there are any little bits that it's the details, right? It's making, if you're going to bother making things for people or even for yourself, like this is a lovely box with really lovely paper on it, and I might have this hanging around for a while. I'm gonna notice if it's not done perfectly. So by just rounding those edges so you don't catch the side, just makes it ever, like, it's about craftsmanship. It's about, you know, really caring about how that project turned out, in my opinion. Okay, so these are neodymium magnets. These are 8 millimeters. Sometimes, because I've had, I'm not going to use those ones. I got them online. People have asked me where. I said eBay. I looked. There was a company that I use called Spider, not Spider-Man, Spider Magnets. Neodymium magnets. Glue dot on my little magnet. I'm going to measure at the 3-inch mark. And I put one right on the inside there. Okay? So then all I have to do is, that snapped directly into place. You can see. And now all I have to do is close. That glue dot will hang on, hopefully. It might be a little stubborn too. Haha! Eureka! Alrighty, so I have this Labels to Love stamp set. I think I'm just going to go really simply with the Made with Love stamp, but there is a lot of Christmas, Halloween, Valentine's Day, to, from, for you. So this is a really good stamp set for, you know, a particular fall time of year. So I thought I would use it. It coordinates with that Detailed punch. But so I have StazOn ink here and just a little strip of Whisper White thin. Now I gotta put my head over. Couldn't have been better. Honestly did not feel like embossing today, but there is a little sheen to that, so I'm just going to use my glue dots because I have them out. And I find sometimes that dry adhesive doesn't adhere well to some of our gold and art foils. All right, so now just a little trim up with the silver. All right, so I'm going to use some dimensional bones. There we go. Cute. Hey, you guys, look at, oh my gosh. I would love to have a little box. So, in other words, whatever you make and to put inside this very large box, you made it with love. And I think, I don't know why, but I dig that teeny tiny sentiment on this massive big box. Anyway, that's my share for today. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will catch you next week. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.